Garissa County. The other one is in Wote, that is in Makueni. Then we have in Isinya, that is Kajiado. And then we have another one in Mogotio, that of course is in Baringo. And then we have one in Kandui, that is Bungoma. What we are looking forward for is that in the next 2 years, I think the local production might hit 8 million. This is because there has been a lot of interest in leather goods and footwear, and the policies that are being forwarded also are encouraging the leather goods and footwear industry to thrive. So we might be doubling this, because in the last 2 years we've moved from, as I told you, the earnings only from leather, which is semi-processed by the way, from around 2.5 we've moved to 4.5, and today as we're talking we're at 6 billion. And the results that came out from the survey, the economic survey, indicates that we've hit the 7 billion Kenya shilling mark, excluding the footwear and the leather goods. If we have all this, then we are talking today of an industry that is over 10 million.